Okay, BTS MEDIHEAL 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, Seoul, South Korea. Okay, start to unbox, please. Thank you.
To
Go.
open the tape.
Yeah. Slowly, slowly. And once you unbox, you just put the things on the top of the box and don't mix them up. MEDIHEAL face mask. BTS brand. Oh, so hard. Oh, dearie me. We all need to eat more food. Okay, okay. Open it up. Pour it out. Okay, we'll put this here first. Let's see what's inside the white box. Woo! BTS T3 and
DNA.
DNA.
It's
Okay.
it's a song. And
DNA
there's
song.
pictures.
Ooh, picture! Unbox the picture. Okay, slowly, huh? This one is MEDIHEAL, NMF, and T3. So this one is T3 and DNA. This one is T3 and NMF. Okay. Let's look at the white one first.
There's more tape.
What you're getting in terms of picture. Now what we want to see is whether they give it the same or different. Huh? Same or different. Okay, just put them down here.
Oh.
Put across. Huh? Okay, lay them out nicely. Okay, wait. Separate them. Put something in the middle. Okay, here's my hand separate. Okay, white box on the right.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's so pretty.
You can hang this up our walls.
Oh goodness
So that's
gracious.
individual photos. This one is like
Individual photos in the white one. So many!
It's all the characters. I mean all the members. Huh?
Wow, this is amazing. Do you like it?
yeah.
This is group. Wow, we.
Oh, this actually tells you what all the different ones are.
Oh, sorry.
So there's this instruction
Oh,
card.
I tell you.
Though.
So, I guess.
Yeah.
They'll tell you the mask.
Okay, so the blue one gives you group pictures. The white one gives you individual pictures. Okay, this one is light blue. Oh, whatever color that is. This one is black. Open. Okay. You get WHP and T3. Looks like every box you get T3, yeah? But this one's WHP. Oh, same. T3 and PDF. Alright. Now let's see what you get for the cards. Photo cards.
Yeah.
So for this light blue one, your photo cards will be dun.
Wow.
Wow!
More individual.
Individuals. Okay.
This is
Light blue individual.
Move.
Yes.
quite
And then for the black one is group.
Not some full group,
Some
two,
full
three
group, some
people.
2, 3 group. Okay,
This
can you
type full
count
group.
how many cards they give?
Okay, explain this. One,
Yeah.
2, 3. 14. The shop was right.
40.
They don't cheat you. They don't cheat you.
Woohoo!
Really 14.
Okay. Okay, pause. Okay.